the process of changing the call screen animation on your iPhone with iOS 17. Let's get started. First, unlock your iPhone and open the Contact app. Now, choose one of the contacts you want to edit. Then tap on the contact. Here, you will get to see Contact, Photo and Poster. Please tap on it. After that, you will get to see various options like text, memoji and photos. You can keep any animal memoji, and you can even change the font size and colors according to your preferences, and you can even post photos of your friend. I will simply choose this one, and you can click on done. Here iPhone will ask you to continue, then continue, and you can even crop it, adjust it according to your preferences, and you can even change the background color, and then after it click on done and continue. Then you can see how simply and successfully you change the call screen animation on your iPhone with iOS 17. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe our channel for more iPhone tips and tricks.